I have another question, a family workshop video from Springboard Collaborative. Asking questions and talking about books with your child is a great way to help them develop as a reader. Open-ended questions, or questions that lead to a conversation instead of just a simple yes or no, can help your child really understand what they read. To ask an open-ended question, prompt your child to think about predictions or what they think might happen next. Think back and retell what actually happened in the story. And finally, connect what they read to what they know. Let's watch some of these open-ended questions in action.
Based on what you had just read, what do you think is going to happen next? I'm a little worried about this fishbowl breaking or something. What do you think?
She seems a little, from the text of the book, what I already had read, she doesn't listen much to.
What's happening on this page?
The cat is knocking down all the trash.
What does that remind you of?
The raccoon that knocked down our trash and ate it.
Yeah, it does. It reminds me of that too.
So what did you think that book was all about?
About a cat who made the house worse and worse and worse.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
What my favorite part was when they said, maybe Cookie will rest.
You want to know what part I really like? I like the part where he thought he was going to run away with the dog.
Did you notice how the father in the last clip didn't just ask a question, but also gave his own answer too? That's a great way to keep the conversation going. Remember, questions lead to conversations, and the conversations you have about what they read and how they read will help your child understand whatever they're reading. Plus, you get to know your child a little bit more too.